Pi Network is a revolutionary cryptocurrency project that allows users to mine Pi coins directly from their mobile devices. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, Pi Network is designed to be user-friendly, energy-efficient, and accessible to everyone. The best part? Joining Pi Network is completely free, and you can start mining Pi coins immediately. Additionally, by inviting new members and running a Pi node on your PC, you can increase your Pi balance. Pi coins can now be bought and sold on Pi Network collaboration exchanges, which are accessible through the official Pi Network website. Miners are required to complete the KYC, or Know Your Customer, process to ensure the network's security and legitimacy. Below is a detailed guide to help you join Pi Network, complete all steps, and prepare for the mainnet migration. Step 1. Download the Pi Network app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Pi Network app. Download and install the app. It's free to download and install. Then, sign up using your Facebook account, phone number, or email address to create an account. Step 2. Start mining Pi coins. Open the app. After signing up, you'll see a mining button which looks like a lightning bolt icon. Tap the mining button. This will start your mining session. You only need to tap this button once every 24 hours to continue mining. To increase your mining rate, you can boost it by inviting friends and family to join Pi Network using your referral code. Step 3. Complete the mainnet checklist. To ensure your Pi coins are migrated to the mainnet, you must complete the following checklist. First, verify your identity through KYC. Go to the Profile section in the app. Complete the KYC process by submitting the required documents such as a government-issued ID. KYC is mandatory for all miners to ensure the network remains secure and compliant. You can choose to lock up a portion of your Pi coins to increase your mining rate and support the network's stability. Once KYC is approved, your Pi coins will be migrated to the mainnet wallet. Ensure your wallet is set up and secured. Step 4. Run a Pi node. This is optional but recommended. Visit the official Pi Network website and download the Pi node software for your PC. Follow the instructions to install and configure the Pi node. Running a Pi node helps secure the network and increases your Pi balance over time. Step 5. Buy and sell Pi on collaboration exchanges, also known as KYB. To access Pi collaboration exchanges, visit the official Pi Network website to find a list of approved exchanges. These exchanges require KYB, or Know Your Business, verification for transactions. Once verified, you can buy or sell Pi coins on these exchanges. Let's go over some key points to remember. First, joining the Pi Network is free. There are no hidden fees or costs to join or mine Pi. Second, invite new members. The more active members you invite, the higher your Pi balance will grow. Third, KYC is mandatory. All miners must complete the KYC process to access their Pi coins on the mainnet. Fourth, running a Pi node on your PC is a great way to contribute to the network and earn more Pi. Finally, Pi coins can now be traded on approved exchanges, making it easier to buy and sell Pi. Conclusion. Pi Network is an innovative project that makes cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone. By following the steps above, you can join the network, start mining Pi, and prepare for the mainnet migration. Remember, inviting new members and running a Pi node can significantly increase your Pi balance. With Pi collaboration exchanges now available, you can also trade Pi coins securely. Start your journey today and be part of the future of decentralized currency. Disclaimer. The information provided in this article is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. Pi Network is a cryptocurrency project still in development, and its future value, functionality, and success are not guaranteed. No guarantee of future value. Update. March 2, 2025, Pi coin recently crashed 20% in 24 hours, now trading at $1.73, down 40% from its peak of $2.90. Despite the drop, upcoming mainnet launches, KYC unlocks, and possible Binance or Coinbase listings could drive recovery. A push past $2.20 may spark a rally to $2.80 or more, while a dip below $1.50 could signal further decline. The ability to buy, sell, or trade Pi coins on collaboration exchanges, KYB, does not guarantee future value or liquidity. KYC requirement: completing the KYC Know Your Customer process is mandatory to access your Pi coins on the mainnet. Failure to complete KYC may result in the loss of access to your mined Pi. Third-party exchanges, Pi collaboration exchanges, KYB, are third-party platforms. Pi Network does not endorse or control these exchanges. Users are advised to conduct their own research and exercise caution when trading Pi coins. Pi node. The efficiency or speed of mining can be increased when you connect Pi node to your computer in addition to your phone. Running a Pi node is optional and requires technical knowledge. Pi Network does not guarantee rewards for running a node, and users assume all risks associated with operating a node, inviting new members. While inviting new members may increase your mining rate, Pi Network is not a pyramid scheme or get-rich-quick opportunity. The project is designed to create a decentralized and inclusive cryptocurrency ecosystem. Regulatory risks. Cryptocurrencies are subject to regulatory changes and restrictions in various jurisdictions. Users are responsible for complying with local laws and regulations regarding cryptocurrency use and trading. No financial advice. This article does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Official sources. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, always refer to the official Pi Network website minapi.com and official announcements from the Pi Network team. By using the Pi Network app or participating in the Pi ecosystem, you acknowledge and accept these risks and disclaimers. Pi Network and its affiliates are not liable for any losses, damages, or misunderstandings arising from the use of the app or reliance on the information provided in this article. The CryptoEinstein invitation link is in the video description if you want to join the Pi Network. For more information, visit the official Pi Network website minepi.com. Stay safe, CryptoEinstein.